One of the most anticipated court sittings of any year, the address of the Chief Justice at the opening of the new law term. As Ivor Archie addressed the legal fraternity, he weighed in on a hot topic, the death penalty, making it clear that while the decision on the death penalty is for the Parliament, he's not convinced that it is a deterrent to crime.
I am yet to see any persuasive empirical evidence that executions significantly reduce murder or crime rates generally. Undoubtedly, it will deter some, and some will argue that there are other philosophical justifications for the application of the death penalty. But such evidence, as the social scientists have been able to glean, suggests that the certainty of conviction within a reasonably quick time is a more potent factor.
And he added,
we cannot delay or skimp on the implementation and the provision of resources for other systemic interventions in the hope that we can frighten people into behaving properly.
The Chief Justice was also very vocal on the issue of the Privy Council remaining this country's final appellate court. It was his firm suggestion that the local courts can offer far better justice.
Why can we not judge ourselves? This region has produced many intellectual giants, including world-class legal luminaries who sit on international courts. So the notion that somehow we will receive a superior form of justice from London bespeaks a self-doubt and an unwillingness to take responsibility for our jurisprudential self-determination.
He says the country's history, culture and other factors must also be taken into context, saying that the law lords so far removed may not be best suited to pronounce on some matters.
Take, for example, the law of provocation. Should the English precedent or understanding of social behavior dictate whether, as a matter of policy, bouncing somebody or stepping on their foot in a carnival fete could amount to provocation?
He says the country should not wait until it is told to leave the Privy Council.
The senior law lord has publicly speculated whether the English taxpayer might not have reason to feel aggrieved that he is subsidizing the appellate system of countries in which he has no interest and to which he feels no attachment. Do we have to wait the final humiliation of being asked to leave?
The Chief Justice says those who resist the Caribbean Court of Justice must give a proper explanation as to why it should not be the final appellate court.